These are all removed. Before they mature.
The top leaves are removed. The tassel is also removed before the silk is well matured. You see how it will impact the
This
grain
productivity. Yeah.
grain or the seed, what will it call it, seed setting or grain filling.
So I think this looks like a cultural practice, yeah?
Yeah, it is because of shortage of animal feed.
Feed,
They
okay.
are cutting or the tasseling and also defoliating the leaves to feed their livestock. This would have been much better if the silk was developed. Once the silk is just become brownish like this, it would be better. So that it will.
But here all of them are removed, yeah?
Yes, yes. So we suggest that feed forage be integrated into the farming system, so that this early removal of the tassel and the top leaves will be
maintained,
maintained.
Or avoided.
So that
Yeah.
it will improve grain yield.
And then this has also impact on productivity,
Yes.
huh? On the yield.
Yes. So to just mitigate this effect, we suggest to integrate forage into the farming system, so that this practice will be.
Ayo, Najro.